Hello, all my crafting friends. It's Tammy, and welcome back to my craft room here at Creative Girl Vintage. A new year. I know we want to do some Valentine crafting, and I hope that your new year is getting off to a great start. So today I'm sharing the love because we're going to kick things off with a Valentine crafting stash bundle that I put together for you. Valentine scraps, as I like to call it. A lot of it's from my own personal stash. This is a quick video for a little flip through. If you're dashing off to grab one of these, please pause this video and come back because I want to share with you what we've got coming up next. And okay, so we're going to open this up. I'll let you know where you can grab one. I know you guys enjoy my little curated bundles, so let's take a peek inside. So what I decided to do was take this little blank journal. It's like a 4" by 5.5" little blank journal, and just stuff it full of little Valentine themed things for your stash. I know we like to make tags and cards and journal pages and little embellishments for ornaments, just things like that. And it's nice to have like a little themed bundle in your crafting stash. So I was inspired to do that for you, and I hope it inspires you too. So let's go ahead and open this up. I tied it all up in some bubblegum pink yarn, which I thought was really pretty. And we're going to stop off here for just a moment because I want to show you this beautiful image right here. And this was made exclusively for us here at Creative Girl Vintage from the one and only Debrina Pratt at Pixie Dust Files. Debrina designed a little Valentine packet for us. This is just the beginning. And she's precious. It's all precious. I just love it all. And we're going to have a lot of fun crafting with it. So let's just flip her over and open this up, and I'll show you what else is inside of this little bundle. So look at this. Oh my goodness, isn't that just the cutest little tag? I have put in here some fabric swatches. These are always fun, like to cover your tags. Look at this. This is like a little vintage fabric. And cover your tags, pop in your journals. Here's some little cute little swatches in here of Valentine fabric. And oh, here we go. Another tag right here. And this is so pretty. This is a red tulle that has a red felt heart on it. I mean, isn't that just so pretty? I just love that. I mean, there's probably plenty of things we could do with that. Okay, this tulle just flew out, so I'm going to put it right back. This is another piece of red tulle that has sparkle all over it. This is a little foil heart that is scalloped. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Another beautiful image here. And so I said there's more. And so our next project coming up, and I've got it. It's a work in progress right now. It is going to be an adorable Valentine decoration we're going to be making. I will be offering kits with that. I will be offering the printed images or downloading whatever you want. So if you want to just make your own without the kit, whatever it is, but that's coming up. So you don't want to miss it. We're going to have fun this Valentine season. I've got other projects lined up as well. So I hope you'll come back and join me for those. Okay, we got some little paper doilies tucked in here, pink and red. Here we have, this is cute. This makes a cute little bookmark or a little hanger for a tag. There's a blank tag in here. There's a piece of a real pretty pink wool felt and a little heart punched out of a vintage book page. Here we have a piece of vintage lace, little applique. This is a piece of ribbon that says Happy Valentine's Day. And this is such a cute trim. It's a little chain of hearts. It's always cute to add on to something. And then this one here is a piece of vintage crochet with the red. This is from an old wired ribbon. And it says love. And it wouldn't be something from me if there was not a vintage book page or a vintage piece of sheet music tucked in as well. So that's the little bundle. And you can just find all kinds of little projects to do with that. And I threw in with that, there's a foil heart. There are little heart-shaped buttons, a little brass key, just some little cute little bits and bobs to add to your crafting. And so this is available in my Etsy shop. The link to my shop is below this video. Now, I always tell you guys, I make a lot and they do sell out, and I always feel bad for the people who miss out. And but you know, I only have like so much that I can make when I'm putting these types of things together that I could put together before I run out of supplies. So that's that. These are my shop. They're ready to go. They're ready to ship. And if you like my videos, I hope you'll give them a thumbs up. It just kind of keeps that YouTube algorithm going, and it makes it so we could just grow our crafting community over here. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You don't want to miss another project. And this year, let's craft more and worry less, okay? I will see you for our next Valentine project coming up really soon. Have a great day. Thanks, you guys. Bye for now.